Okay, hang on to your seats, put your seat belts on. This is tough. We will not master regular expressions, but we will introduce them and we'll play around with them quite a bit and kind of get you going on them. What in the world are regular expressions, or regex? These are used in multiple programming languages. They're used in Linux as well. You can use them in Linux commands, for example. JavaScript uses them. PowerShell uses them. They have slightly different flavors. That is to say, some of the symbols don't work the same in one of those platforms as they do in another platform. But it's a sophisticated set of symbols that we use to match a specific set of characters. Now, it might be one of these comparison operators like EQ, but there is one comparison operator in particular that we use regular expressions in. I want you to stretch all the way back, if you will, to this chapter 11 notes. And we introduced these comparison operators. And I said at that time, don't worry about these at the bottom, match, not match, case-sensitive match, and case-sensitive not match, because those we would be dealing with later on when we got into regular expressions. Now is the time for that. So let's see how we might use this. I'm going to go over here to my console window, and I'll type this, get service. And now I'm going to pipe that to a where object command. Remember this from chapter 11? And then after the where object command, we had to make this script block. It looked like that. And we started out with the $ and the underscore. This stands for current object. In this case, let's go for the name. I want the service name. And then we would put our comparison operators, such as EQ. Well, now I'm going to put, I'm going to put match. And this is where I'm going to use comparison operators. Now I'm going to put the string that I want to match, so I'll put that in double quotes like that. And now all I have to do is fill in what's going to go, I didn't mean to hit that key, there we go. Now all I have to do is fill in what's going to be inside the double quotes. What happens is I hit enter and I just happen to match everything. So what am I going to put in here? Well, that's what regular expressions is all about, and that's what we're going to be learning today. But before I do, I want to just show you some examples in the next video.